Okay, this video is recording data for the dinosaur train, and I'm gonna start it. Actually, I should start it.
You
So
turned
just
You turned it already.
yeah, but
Just started at 1.
well, I'll start it at 0, and just so that you all know, it is starting from the other side. Let's see. That way. Okay.
So you mark, get set, go.
Okay, this is data. This is trial data for the dinosaur train, which is starting at 0 on the meter stick.
Ready, set, go. Okay, that was 4.05 seconds. So ready, set, go. Okay. That was 4.11. Ready, go. It was 4.22. Is this number 4?
This will be number 4, I think.
Yeah. Ready, go. That was 4.09. And then trial number 5. Ready, go. That was 4.06.